guys, welcome back to Lemphalation. This is Jovita here, and today's video is a very exciting video. I have for the longest time wanted to do a makeup tutorial using rhinestones, and I eventually got around to ordering some from Amazon, and I created this look today. I am so happy and so excited and so proud of myself with how this has turned out. I've never really done a look of this sort, and it took a lot of time, a lot of effort, and I'm really happy with what it looks like. I give you like a step-by-step tutorial, and if this video does help you out in some way, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you'd like to learn how to get this look, then please keep watching. So we're going to start off with our favorite step, which is primer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty primer. So I'm going to do my eyes first, and then I'm going to do my face. So I'm going to prep my eyes first. So the next step is color correcting. I'm going to be using my Krylon D30 color corrector, which is an orange color corrector for all of my pigmented areas. So for now I'm just going to do my eyes because we're going to focus on the eye makeup first, and then we'll move on to the face. And then we're going to be blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Insta Age Refined Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes. So for setting my eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm going to be baking the under eye and just lightly setting the lid. So I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender, and I'm going to just dab it all underneath. Just to set my lid, I'm going to be using a soft setting brush like this, and just taking a little bit of the product excess off and just lightly set. Now that my under eyes are set, I'm just going to be using the tiniest amount of Scotch tape just on the corner of my eye because I want this look to be really defined. So I'm going to use a small little amount of Scotch tape, and I'm going to be sticking that on the outer corner of my eye. So now I have like a makeup quad by MAC, which is an eyeshadow quad in which I have a very light shade like this. I'm gonna use a flat brush like this, and I'm going to start packing on this shade on my lid. So now I'm going to be going in with a nice orangey tone. Shade right here is what I'm going to be using on a fluffy blending brush like this. So you just dab, 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 take some on, and then you're going to be going into your crease. I'm just gonna use my Mellow Cosmetics blush as a base for my eyes. So I'm gonna use the same blending brush, just dab it a little bit in, dust off the excess, and you're going to be blending it all over the lid. So now that we have this nice burnt orangey shade all over the lid, I'm going to be using a light brown shade, and I'm just going to be going over the lash line. So this is what the shade looks like. It's a light brown shade. I'm using an angle brush like this. I'm gonna just pack it onto my brush. dust off the excess, and then we're gonna go in just lining the lash line. There's like 3 shades that I really like, so it's 1, 2 and 3. So I'm thinking of mixing all of them a little bit with my finger. And then to finish it all up, I'm going to be using the same angled brush that I used earlier, but I'm taking a darker brown shade this time, just a teeny tiny amount, and just going to use that on the outer corner of my eye. Just the outer corner, don't stretch it in too much. Now I'm going to be taking off the sticky tapes, and now I'm going to be using my fluffy blending brush and just dusting off all of this product. So I've done my foundation. Now I'm just going to be doing my concealer. So we're going to go in on the nose, eyebrow, cupid's bow, chin, and under the area that I'll be contouring. I'm just gonna go in with the same Revolution palette that we used at the beginning. I'm just gonna use the same palette to highlight my inner corners. I'm going to get some of the light shade, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. Very thin fluffy brush like this, and I'm gonna take the same orange and brown shades that I used on my lid to just go in under the eyes and define my eyes a little more. So these are the rhinestones that I have with me. I've gotten these from Amazon, and so I've got my tweezers with me, and I've got some lash glue, and I'm thinking of going in with the smaller shapes first, and then I might move on to the bigger ones. I've never really done this before, so I'm a bit nervous, and they're really tiny, and I don't want to like drop them somewhere, you know what I mean?
2 seconds later.
Whoa, I just lost one. Let's place this. So that's where I think I want one. So I haven't actually decided where I want to put the rhinestones, but I'm just gonna go for it, like just wing it. We'll see what happens. If not, we'll just take it off, you know what I mean? Who cares? For today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as well as learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Please leave me your comments in the comment section below, letting me know what kind of videos you'd like to watch next, and I would love to create those videos for you guys. And while you're subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Clearly, I am very excited with how this look turned out, and I hope you liked it too. That was it for today. I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.